Hey
everyone,
guys, my
this is
name is
Nida.
Nida and I'm a local SEO specialist. I build websites for local service businesses and SEO optimize them so that they can rank higher in search engines. Today I'm going to show you three mistakes that most local service businesses do and that cause them low rankings and losing potential customers unlike their competitors. So yeah, let's start. I want to mention that this specific Google business profile is only for educational purposes. No, I do not claim this, but I'm just saying I'm not criticizing this one. Neither I have any grudges against them. It's just for educational purposes for others to not to do these mistakes, and they also can improve their mistakes. Thank you. Number one, let's look at their business category. They are a junk removal business, but their primary category that is listed under the reviews says they are a waste management service, right? So this is not irrelevant, this is relevant, but this is not the most relevant. So when you're writing a primary category, your goal should be to write the most relevant category, okay? So this should be junk removal service. And you know what does that the difference does it make if you misplace a category? Google ranks you lower. Like if somebody searches for waste removal service, you're gonna rank higher. But if somebody is searching for junk removal and you're also a junk removal business, you don't wanna rank for waste management, you wanna rank for junk removal. So you should be mentioning junk removal instead of waste management, right? It's that simple. And a primary category matters a lot. It is one of the most I would say that influential factors in your rankings. So yeah, you gotta be very careful with that. Secondly, if we come to their website link, they do not have any website link in their website section. That is missing. What that means that a customer visits your profile and the only information he has about your business is your profile, which has limited information, of course. If you don't have a website where he's supposed to go and know more about you, what kind of people you are, what type of work you do, and what sort of services you provide. Do you provide all of the services and your recent work, everything? Our profile is not enough, and also the website affects your rankings. If you have a good website, you have individual service pages, you have all the services listed there and enough content about them, you're gonna efficiently rank higher. But you don't have a website, and see, this is how it happens because they have decent reviews. Despite having decent reviews, they're ranking so low other than unlike their competitors. Second, and at the last we come that third thing, the reviews. You got to have some recent reviews, not more than 1 week old. Like this matters a lot. That tells Google that you are an active business and you have active customers coming to you. So that's very important. And we actually, most of the time, local service businesses ignore this thing. They do not focus on the recent reviews. So try to get recent reviews as much as you can. So these are the three things and what you can do to avoid lower rankings in your business. So just best of the luck, guys. If you want me to audit your business, just comment them below or just DM me on my Gmail. Thank you.